let's make some dinner. Told you guys earlier, we're not really feeling well, so we want something cozy, and we decided to make loaded baked potato soup. I made this once before, maybe like, 2 years ago? It was really good. Trying a different recipe this time, so let's do it. Carl just ran out to the grocery store, and while he was there, I was like, listen, go to the deli, get me some provolone cheese. I've been loving it this pregnancy, and I love cheese. Normally, provolone's like not one of my top faves, but for some reason, I'm here for it. No. I'm not paying the cheese tax. I'm broke. Okay, so we gotta start out with the best part. We gotta cook the bacon. Okay, so I guess we're not having bacon because Carl literally just bought this bacon like an hour ago, and it expired 2 weeks ago, so we're gonna have to use butter instead as our fat. So since I didn't have the bacon and the bacon grease, I kind of had to like assume how to make the roux because that's how this starts out. So in the recipe, they did half a cup of flour, and a roux is usually equal parts. So I just did a stick of butter. Here she is, cooking it out. So I normally use bouillon cubes, but we're being lazy tonight, and we're just gonna, I don't feel like mixing my own broth, so we're doing this, okay? Start to incorporate my roux. Look at her thickening up. I'm just gonna add the rest of this in. At this point, we're going rogue with this recipe. I'm just gonna do it on my own. I'm gonna switch to Kennedy's favorite toy, my little red whisk. Don't mind the kitchen, it's a mess. We haven't felt well, okay? So I can already tell that that's gonna be super thick, so I'm definitely going to be adding in some more of the broth. Ooh, I'm just gonna keep this right here because as I go, I'll probably just end up watering it down. Also, I've got a little Gatorade. Actually, this is body armor. We need to hydrate, okay? I'm gonna add in a little bit of milk. This house is so chaotic right now. At this point, I'm going to chop up my potatoes. And again, I'm going rogue here. The recipe, I think, literally said like only 4 potatoes, but I had Carl get 12. I want it really potatoey, so chopping these up. All right, now I'm gonna throw these all in. Probably gonna make a mess, so just give me a second. Oh no. Yeah, I'm done with that. Guess I'm done with this too. At least this was saved. Dexter, stop licking the potatoes. Stop it. Hey. This night is it Friday the 13th? Is it a full moon?
That's next week.
And now we're gonna let it come to a simmer. I can't make this up, guys. It shattered. What? Carl keeps saying, he's like, we're gonna get through this night. We're gonna get through it. Oh, I can't let her go. Goodbye, old friend. Okay, so far I'm actually really glad that I added extra of the chicken broth because the potatoes, like the starch in it, will thicken the soup too. So, like, I wouldn't want it any thicker than this. Added some salt and pepper. And now we just wait for the potatoes to cook.
Do you remember that plant you gave her? No, I'll check. Why isn't it ridiculous that?
Excuse me, ma'am. No. The moment of truth. It's good, but I also can't smell or taste anything, so like it might need salt, but I don't know. I take that back. I did just get a little hint of something, like the sour cream and the onion. I think it might need salt. Carl, you can be the judge of that. I think it's good, but
Is it eclair?
no, it's a lobster tail.
Oh. Is that for yeah?
No, that was just for me.
Oh, okay.
Thank you for joining this chaotic dinner vlog. I don't know what's going on tonight. At least the soup came out good. So, yeah. Hopefully some of y'all are having some crazy Tuesday nights as well. So I don't feel bad. Alright, I will see you guys in a bit. Bye.